Thank you for choosing our product. If you have any questions, please contact us through the after-sales mailbox. For wellservice@outlook.com. We will get back to you within 24 hours. The package includes 1 drip tray, 59 inches of drain hose, 4 self-adhesive clip, 1 90-degree elbow, 1 spare hose fitting. Now to show you how to assemble and use. First, measure the length of the required drain hose and cut off excessive drain hose. Note that the end of the drain hose should not be soaked in water. Second, remove the outlet cover from the drip tray and combine the drip tray, drain hose and 90-degree elbow together. Third, fix the drain hose by self-adhesive clip. Note that the drain hose should not be higher than the outlet of the drip tray. Fourth, choose a container with appropriate capacity for containing water. Note that the capacity of container needs to be larger than or equal to your humidifier. Fifth, do a drainage test to make sure the settings are correct. After setting up correctly, you may notice that water does not drain immediately. This is normal, because only after the water in the drain tray reaches a pointed height, then there is enough pressure to let the water out. Sixth, place the humidifier in the center of the drip tray.